Yeah, hello everybody. Welcome, and happy Sunday. Hope you guys are doing good. Um, Let me just send the links to our channels before we start the analysis, right? That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. Somebody is saying hi, Israel. Hi, how are you doing, bro? Big bear. Wow. You're a big bear, bro. That's cool, man. All right. So let me send the links to them. Then we continue, right? Cool. So yeah. We're about to start the analysis for the week, right? So there we go. Come on, man. Yeah, and just a quick reminder. I just set up this account, which is this trading view account. So if you are not yet following us on this account, make sure you follow us because as of today, I'll start, posting my analysis and everything on this particular account. So I had this account like 8 months ago, but the account was not active, nothing. I think I signed up maybe on my phone. I was trying to check something on TradingView, right? So I just joined it with this particular account 8 months ago. So yeah, like I said earlier on, that I will start putting, you know, ideas and things like that right on this particular channel. So right now, I think about 14 people started following me on this particular handle. So make sure you follow me right on TradingView because I will just be uploading, all of my analysis right here starting from today. So yeah, enough of the talk. Let's start the analysis, right? So yeah, and before we even start it, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, make sure you start sending us via live chat section, right? So that I can just check it out for you. Um, Somebody saying which is fantastic trial. I like your setups. Show, show us the strategy. Yeah, very sure. I'm showing you guys the strategy, everything. I'm doing it right here, live and direct with you, right? So but hopefully you guys can hear me, right? Because my mic, I think, is giving me some sort of signals saying that it's very low, right? So hopefully you guys can hear me. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, I do share the analysis and everything right here on this channel. That's why I'm coming and be checking all these pairs for you and doing the live analysis and live trade with you guys, right? And somebody is saying, which is Big Bear, I'm good. How you the OG from Jackpot Strategy group and subscribe? Oh wow, that's cool, man. That's cool. That's cool. You're welcome, bro. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for coming. Yeah, and somebody saying hi guys. Okay, that's DJ SL. So yeah, I hope you good, man. Hope you good. We can hear you. Okay, that's very good. So yeah, somebody saying Euro USD. So that means we are going to start with Euro USD, right? So as time goes on, as we are doing this analysis, make sure you are sending us any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, so that I can just be analyzing it. Then we'll be upgrading and things like that. So let's check out Euro USD at the moment because somebody said we should check out Euro USD for him, right? That's cool. So this is Euro USD now. Let me just minimize this so that you guys can be seeing the chart very clean, right? Okay, that's cool. So this is Euro USD daily time frame, right? So this is daily time frame, and if you know me, or if you do come to this channel and be checking out my analysis, my live trade and things like that, you know that I do a naked chart trading and also a price action trading, right? And if I'm doing my analysis, I usually start with the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame. That's how I do my analysis. And according to my entry, I usually go down to lower time frame, like 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame, to get into the market, right? So if you are not familiar with price action and naked chart trading, definitely this might sound very, very strange, and you might not able to understand what is going on right here, isn't it? So I don't trade with any indicators, no indicators, nothing, only the price action and naked chart. That's what I do. So yeah, this is Euro USD right now, daily time frame. So we will start by putting our support and resistance. After putting our support and resistance, you know what goes next, right? Identify the price action. So what is price action in the forex market? Price action is trader psychology in the market, right? That's what I define as a price action. And how do I know what is the trader psychology in the market? So the trader psychology in the market, I use candlestick patterns to identify such. Are you getting it now? So, me personally, I use about 9 pairs of candlestick pattern to kind of understand trader psychology in the market. Or I use about 18 candlestick patterns. 18 of them. That's what I use on this my channel, which is ITT, right? So yeah, before we go ahead, make sure you are giving this video a thumbs up. Also, you are sharing it with your friends and family so that they can join us and learn something new from us as well, because it is very, very good, right? So yeah, like I was saying, that's what I refer as a price action. So right now, this is a Euro USD daily time frame, right? So like I said earlier on, that we will start by putting our support and resistance. That's what we will start with. So we will start by putting our support and resistance. We can start one right here, then we can put another one right there. I'm coming. Can put another one right there. Settings. I think. Sorry. Let me check something. Remember, this is a new account. This is my new account, and I haven't even set everything completely. Sorry guys, just bear with me. Let me check some of the settings, because if I do my reason, it doesn't stick. Symbols, indicate the title, indicate IQ, value, background. Sorry guys, I want to say something. Kind of forget this thing, man. That's trading. This is events. Or should I log into my other accounts? No, it's not here. It's not here. I want to check something about this. No. Anyway, let's just continue, guys, because I already said something that will make this thing to stick. Because if I do it now, it doesn't stick right here. So I wanted to make it like that, but I kind of forget where I can do it, right? Anyway, let's just continue, and maybe after the live stream I'll try and set it up, because I'm still setting up the accounts. I haven't set it up completely. So yeah, like I was saying, let me be changing the colors as well. This is daily time frame, and it's gonna be green. And change it to this. So yeah, you have to bear with me today, because this is a new account, so I have to be setting everything manually. So yeah, this is a daily time frame, and I say we'll be putting our support and resistance on the daily time frame, right? And make sure that you are putting it accurately. Make sure that you are putting it accurately. It is very, very important like that. Let me put this at the week, and But why this doesn't stick, man? And I'll put another one right here. That's another support. There's another one right here. Hope you guys are following it, right? Then, yep, there's another one right here. Wow, kind of. So you see, these are some sort of support and resistance on this daily time frame. I know this is kind of much, but if you go down to lower time frame, like 4 hour time frame, we'll try to check them out and amend all of them because it is very, very important. Let's go down to 4 hour time frame. I don't want to waste much of your time, guys, because of you guys will have to go and be checking a lot of things as well, right? You have to do your analysis and other things. So yeah, this is 4 hour time frame now, and you guys remember that this support and resistance we plotted on our daily time frame, right? So you guys see that we have to put another support right here, I mean a resistance right here, because, and I will change the color to be pink, which indicate that this particular support, I mean resistance, I put it on the daily time, on the 4 hour time frame, right? So the next thing that I'm supposed to do right here is that I must come to this level and see what's going on. You guys can see what is happening right here, right? So I'll take my arrow and so that it can give me idea of what's happening right here, right? So you guys are seeing what's going on, and all of this. So you see that? So the first touch, second touch, and third touch. Also, this we have fourth touch right here. So you see how the market moved. So now, since we identified that, okay, once the market reaches this level, it tends to go down to the downside and tends to go down to the downside, and now it's around this zone. So what are we supposed to be expecting right on this level now? What are we supposed to be expecting on this level? Any idea? Okay, any idea of what's going on here? Somebody say use alt hedge. Okay, let me try that, because it's been long that I've been using that my other accounts. No, not to be putting my horizontal line, man. I'm not saying that to be putting horizontal line, like to pin them. You know that if I do something like this now, it usually stick around here, right? So that I can just be putting no need for me to be coming down and click it right here again afresh before I start putting them again. So once I click it here once, and it will just be stick around, except I click out of it. But right now it does exit on its own. So that's what I was saying. I wanted it to stick around here, or like lock it, and without it being unlocked, except I unlock it myself, right? So that's what I was saying. So yeah, as you guys can see, I said that once the market reaches this level, you see that it tends to move to the downside, and now reaches here again, tends to move, but it's not able to break out of this zone and close above it, right? That's what you are supposed to be observing. It's not able to close above it. Most importantly, it's not even able to break out of it and continue to move to the upside. So we have to see a breakout of this and also close above this particular resistance line, right? You guys can know that, because by now I guess that you will have known how to put your support and resistance level accurately, right? So you have to learn all of these basics, support and resistance, trend line, and things like that, in order for you to be able to be profitable in the market. So once you are able to do that, build it up, do it over and over and over, and practice again. Once you are able to do this, the next thing that you're supposed to do is how you can get an entry point and exit point perfectly in the market. Are you getting it now? So once you're able to do all those kind of things, then no need for you to be telling me, hey Israel, I'm not profitable in the market, I'm not this, I'm not that, and things like that. No need for you to be telling me that. All you have to do is you'll be an independent trader once you are able to do all these kind of things, right? So right now, I'll just kind of tell you that, okay, if you don't know how to put your support and resistance, definitely go and learn how to put them. It is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So yeah, like I was saying, it's not able to break out of this zone, right? So that indicates to us that, okay, the next thing that can happen now is that the market should push to the downside. Where's my arrow? The market will push to the downside, possibly to this level, right? You see, even my even the color of my what is it called? Even the color of my arrow, I did not even change it, right? So you have to bear all these kind of things with me, guys, because I'm here to change everything. Yeah, so this is how my arrow looks like. So you see that this is what I will be expecting on this Euro USD. Then I go down to 1 hour time frame. You see this 1 hour time frame, and you see all of these arrows that I put kind of indicate that, okay, the market is actually going to the downside, right? Then what are you supposed to do next? What are you supposed to do next? You remember that on my old account, I still have analysis of this Euro USD and other pairs as well. And if I come down to my watch list, as you can see, I did not even add all of my pairs right here. So as time goes on, as I'm doing my analysis today and be sending it to this, uploading it to this account, you know, I'll be adding all of ITT pairs. You can see right here, ITT pairs. So these are the pairs that I trade. I literally trade everything in the market. I trade everything in the market. Everything that comes in my way that I just like to set up after doing my analysis, I will just execute the trade on my account by risking 1 to 3%. That's the maximum I can risk. The maximum is 3% that I can risk on my account, and the maximum that I can risk every day is about 9%, based on the fact that I usually take 1 to 3 trades per day, almost every day. That's what I take. So if you multiply 3 times 3, that's about 9. So that basically means that I risk 9% of my account side if I just risk 3% of each trade that I'm getting in, right? So that's it. So what I was trying to say is that there was a time that we took a buy right here. We took a right from this level, we took a buy, and our take profit was right here, and I did not sell it. Then we took a buy again from here. We took a buy again, right it all the way to the upside, and right now it's gonna come down for a sell. Definitely it's gonna come down for a sell. You know why? Because of this resistance. And also, if you see what's going on right here, if you have my students here, like premium students, you will be able to know what's going on right on this level, right? This is 1 hour time frame, and you will be able to know what is going on right here. Let me use one of my tool. Oh, what is that? Ellipse, okay. So yeah, this is it. Even my ellipse, guys, I did not even set it up. Sorry, let me set it up. Usually I put that as a blank. Let me just leave it as green, but I'll reduce the so that it won't be showing that kind of much. In fact, let me just reduce it, make it transparent. And what am I supposed to do next is that I'll put this, make it like this, change the color to be yellow, right? So yeah, you see this zone right here, these are some sort of dojis, and if you are my premium student, you will know exactly what I'm talking about right here. So yeah, this is kind of sell signal for us. And also, what are we supposed to do is we can put our trend line this way. Trend line is supposed to be like this. This is how our trend line is supposed to look like. Exactly. You see that for this 1 hour time frame. Okay, this 1 hour. This is how I'm supposed to leave the color of the trend line. Perfect. So you see that what actually happened is that the market actually broke out of this zone, which is the trend line, After breaking out of it, try to come down to the downside and now retest, boom, trying to come down again. Are you getting it? So after retesting, then try to sell. Then right now, I'm still seeing another thing right on this level. You see that? Let me change this one as well. Perfect. So now it does align with my 1 hour color, right? So you see that now the market broke out of this, trying to retest again, boom, come down to the downside, and right now is retesting. As it retested this level, right now where is it going? It's gonna go to the downside, man. It's gonna go to the downside. Are you getting it? It's gonna go to the downside all the way to this level. So now I will be expecting Euro USD to come down for let me see how many pips, to come down for almost 90 pips, for 90 pips, you know, to come down for 90 pips. So that's a very decent, and your stop loss is going to be where? Your stop loss is going to be right above this. So this is going to be like 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. It's going to be like 1 to 2. Yeah, it's going to be 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, because you have to put your stop loss right there, which is 45 pips, and you'll be making 90 pips. So it's going to be like 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And from there, which basically means that if you are risking 1% of your account, then you'll be making at maximum 2%. 2%, that's what you'll be making if you are using 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. And this is the least that I can go for. The least that I can go for is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's what I can go for. Anytime that you see me sending signal or whatsoever that I'm doing on this particular channel, right? So that's it, guys, and this is what I'm saying on Euro USD. So if you have any question, just let me know. Say hi, Israel. I don't understand what you mean by this. I don't understand what you mean by that, right? So I don't literally use any indicators. I just use naked chart and price action. Somewhere that is evening star. No, that's not evening star, bro. That's not how evening star is. This is not evening star. Remember, if you are having evening star, it's supposed to be one candle. This is not an evening star, you know. This is dodgy. I know that. See, this is how an evening star looks like. Let me show you something. Oh, what is this, man? Come on. Okay, let me show you something. This is gonna be white. Let me go down to custom. Make it white. Perfect. Then let me clean this, guys. So what is it? Okay, so yeah, like this. Come on, bro, I can't draw anything with this. Let me just go to zoom, so I can just be drawing things with my zoom or something. Sorry guys, just bear with me. I want to practicalize some things, right? I want to practicalize some things. Just bear with me, guys, for some minutes. I want to just practicalize some things so that I can be writing and things like that, because I can't do it without the zoom. Just let me start using this. Perfect. And there we go. Sorry. Start sharing the screen. Boom. So yeah, all right. So I think the zoom now is here. I'll be able to draw things now. Perfect. So yeah, I'm just trying to get something that I can write so that you guys can be seeing it, right? Because that's very, very important. Okay, so let me see if you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. Are you guys seeing what I'm writing on the screen now? Just let me know if you guys can see it so that I can continue with it. Let me know. I'm waiting for you guys in the chat. Do you see what I wrote on the screen? Do you guys see it? Just let me know, guys, so that I cannot take much of your time, right? I just want to know if you guys are seeing what I'm writing on the screen before we continue. Okay, no, all right. Okay, let me try and check something again. Sorry for that. Let me try and check something. Okay. Window capture. Okay, and zoom annotation. Nah. Sorry guys, trying to make this fit the screen and things like that. Trying to get it. Sorry guys, just bear with me please. Okay, what about now guys? Can you guys see it? Oh my goodness. I think we'll just continue like that. Yeah, anyway, I'll try and show you what I wanted to show you in this video today. Let's just continue with your analysis. Then maybe in our live chat, just remind me of your question. I'll try to show you, because right now I didn't finish setting up this account. That's why I'm having some sort of problems like this. So we're trying to do it in the next class, guys. Sorry for that. Trying to do it in the next class. Yeah, so let's just continue. I wanted to show you the difference between this and the evening star. I know that evening star usually looks like this. One candle this way, maybe Marubozu or engulfing candle, right? Or just yeah, or engulfing candle. And one is going to be a doji and the second is going to be this. So exclude this candle, is you now have your evening star, right? I know it's not going to be perfect. You can also use this as your evening star, but before this candle formed, you know that you had these candles before. So I used the idea of this candle first before this next candle. So I would have got it right here, then ride this all the way to the downside because of this candle, right? But if you waited for the evening star to form, definitely you must have waited for this candle to close again. So are you getting this now? Are you seeing the difference between what I wanted to show you and the evening star? So before evening star even form, I would have traded these two candlestick patterns. Then after this candle formed again, I will not have much confidence in my trade, saying, okay, now that I'm having this candle, I have full confidence in my trade. Then on this retracement, I might even add more lot sizes to ride it all the way to the downside, right? So that's the difference between the price action trader and naked chart trader, and also the difference between me that I'm trading price action and naked chart, and compare it to the person that is trading with indicators, right? Not that I don't know how to use indicators. I know how to use indicators, but I don't use it based on the lag behind, and also they give you a lot of fake signals, right? I'm not saying that all my signals are perfect. No, nobody wins 100% in the market, man. So if somebody trying to maybe convince you saying that, okay, I win 100% of my trade, no losses, I got about 2,000, 3,000 pips in a week or in a day. Oh my goodness, just try to know that, okay, maybe it might be a fishing, right? Trying to get your money and get you out, right? So just try to understand exactly how you can do this yourself, and also grow up confidence in your trade. Learn how to be confident enough. That's how you can do it. So yeah, I'm expecting this pair, which is Euro USD, to start selling when the market opens. That's what I will be expecting from this pair. Oh my goodness, you see, even my short and long position, they are not set yet. So sorry guys for all of this. Let me finish setting them up so that I can have clear understanding of what's going on, right? Yeah, yep. So yeah, that's it. Now I set it up. So your take profit is gonna be somewhere here, and your stop loss is gonna be somewhere around this zone. Yeah, because you know that once the market break out of this level, definitely it's not gonna come down to the downside, man. It will just retest and boom, continue to move to the upside. And even right here, I'm seeing another thing. Before I will have confidence enough in this trade, it must break out of this zone. It must break out of this. It must break out of this before I will develop confidence that, okay, this trade is gonna go to the downside, right? So wait for breakout out of these zones, two zones. So wait for breakout, guys. If it breaks to the upside, you know that it's gonna go to the upside. If it breaks to the downside and close below all of this week, you are seeing these weeks, right? Wait for it to close below these weeks, then you can now develop a confidence that, okay, this trade is gonna go to the downside, right? And of course, if you use your Fibonacci retracements, oh my goodness, if my fib retracement is not set up, guys, let's set up the fib retracement as well. So sorry, this is gonna be like I'm giving you all of my settings and things like that as well. So if you're wise enough, you can copy them, and there you go, right? You can copy them, man. Okay, gotta get rid of this. Gotta get rid of this, and also make it hard, right? Now make it no. Why don't you cancel this to be transparent, man? Background color, yeah, wanted to get the background color off. Let me start afresh so that I can just get everything, because I did some sort of mistakes. Delete, clear them, and I'll clear this one as well. Go down, kick off the background color. So this is gonna be like 62, not 61. What am I doing with this, man? I don't need it. Let me just uncheck them, because it seems as if they don't want to get out, right? And this is gonna be 38, 50%, 79. Got to get rid of this again. Got to get rid of this. Get rid of this. I don't need them. Yeah, there you go. Okay, this is 24. Yep, so I'm gonna change this to complete red. And okay, I'm gonna change all of them to this. No, that's not, I don't need trend line. Okay, level lines, that's what I wanted to change to this. Yeah, and I will change this to green, which is the 50%. Add custom pure green. That's it. And I'll add, yeah, I will leave it the way it is, but I'll make it custom, make it that way. And also, where's my 60%? 60, okay, this is 61%, not 68. I'll change the color to green here. So I'll change this color to pink, this 38%. Change the color to pink. And yeah, change this, leave it the way it is, right? Now change it to white. The down as well, which is the 100%, change it to white. There we go. So yeah, you guys now have my fib retracement settings. There you go. Now this is how my Fibonacci retracement is. All of the settings are right here right now with you, right? So that is it. And right now, what am I supposed to do? What I wanted to show you is that I wanted to show you something like this. You see that? Why I was saying that it's going to continue to move to the downside, and I made mention of something that it must break out of this, right? So you see, it is at 50% level at the moment. So without it breaking out of this 50% and breaking out of this 61%, it's not going to continue the move to the downside. It might be some sort of retracement before it will continue the move to the upside. Are you getting it now? That's why I was able to draw this zone that you see right here. I put this rectangle as well. So telling you that it must break out of this zone before it continues the move to the downside. So just keep this at the back of your mind, guys. Without it doing this, it might just continue to push to the upside for it to buy, right? So it will continue to go down to the downside once it breaks out of this 50% and breaks out of this 61% as well. Well, right now, according to what I'm saying, it will definitely come down to the downside. So remember, you are risking about 46 pips right on this trade. So it is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, right? So you are risking, if you are risking 1%, definitely you'll be making 2% on this trade once it hits your take profit, right? So that's it. That's what you are supposed to wait. Or if you just get in, remember you are risking 46%. So that's it, guys. For this Euro USD, I'll be expecting it to fall to the downside after it breaks out of these zones, right? So just bear that in mind. So yeah, let's go down to, and before we continue, if you have any question right here, just let me know. Hey Israel, I don't understand exactly what you mean by this and things like that. So just you know, for me to clarify your question, if you have any. So it is the right time for you to ask me right now. So ask me right now. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, that's it, man. And the next pair that we have right here is US 30, right? Somebody is saying we should analyze US 30 for him or her. I don't know if it's a woman or a man, right? So it is what it is. And okay, after US 30, we now have NZD USD. We now have NZD USD right here with us. So yeah, I'll analyze NZD USD. So let's go down to NZD USD. I will add it also to my ITT pairs, which we trade here on ITT, right? NZD USD by symbol. NZD USD, okay, all right. So this is NZD USD. Oh man, I think NZD USD as well gonna fall to the downside, you know. But it is what it is, man. Oh my goodness, broke out. Okay, all right. I have All of this zone right here. This was 2018, right? Okay. I continue to push to the upside, man. But let's see. We'll start by putting our support and resistance on the daily time frame, right? We'll start by that. Oh, we are supposed to check US 30 first, but anyway, let's continue with the NZD/USD. Continue with the NZD/USD first before we continue with other things. Just bear with me. I'm coming. Let me try and check something. Okay, so like I do, like I do every time, I do start by putting my support and resistance, right? And this is daily time frame. The color is gonna be green, and I'll be putting it. That's another one, and I'm seeing another one right here. Oh my goodness, I can't pin this. Yeah. So you guys are seeing it, right? So I went all the way back to 2018. That's why I was able to spot out some sort of retracement here, resistance level right here. You see all of these resistance zones? So it might play out as well. But yeah, you see it. It's obvious, isn't it? Just shift it back down small, yeah. So yeah, let's go down to 4-hour time frame. So you see this 4-hour time frame. Well, this is cool, man. Oh my goodness. This is gonna sell, bro. This is going to sell. This is gonna sell. You see, this is what I refer as evening star. This is an evening star right here, man. This is evening star. So despite the fact that this candle is bullish, but still evening star. And right, it is at our key level. Are you getting it now? It is at our key level. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing right on this particular pair being NZD/USD. So you can literally wait for either a breakout, or you can trade it right now, right? Or you can say, okay, I'll be expecting a breakout of this. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of having difficulties plotting using this my new account, man, because I was using my old account all the time, things like that. So yeah, you see this, right? So it might come down to this level, trying to push up again and things like that. But once the market opens, I think we are going to sell this, man. We're going to sell it. And how much are you going to be risking? You zoom out, then yeah, your stop loss is going to be right above, man. Right. Let me calculate how many pips it's going to be. It's going to be right, like, yeah, it's going to be like 30 pips. Yeah, you see, it's going to be like 30 pips. Well, you can make it like 40 pips to be on the safer side, right? Because it is very important. Yeah, you can make it like 40 pips to make how many pips? It's going to come down all the way to this point to make almost 150 pips. Oh my goodness. This is going to be like 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. You see that? So this is going to sell, man. I'll be expecting it to sell as well. Despite the fact that I'm seeing that is pushing to the upside, but it's going to come down for a sell first before it continue to move to the upside. So the sell is going to be a retracement, not a long-term sell. This is where you are supposed to take your profit. Right here, you are going to take your profit right now, right? So that's what you are supposed to be doing. So I'll be expecting this NZD/USD to sell when the market opens, to sell all the way to this point. Like I said earlier on, that if you are not following me on TradingView, make sure you go to TradingView right now and follow Israel the Trader. That's the name. Let me show it to you. Hopefully I'll be able to see my this thing again. So this is the profile. Let me show it to you. This is the profile. You see the name here, right? Israel the trader. So this is the new account, and you see I don't have anything. So make sure you follow this account so that I can just be posting all of this analysis. I'm going to be 24-hour and yeah, 247 right here on this trading view, because I usually use this trading view. So you know, and I'm 247 right here sitting on my desk. If I'm not doing anything, I'm right here doing the analysis or monitoring my trade, right? So it is very important for you to know what exactly I'm looking at and what is my opinion on some certain instrument, right? It's very, very important. What happened again with my analysis? Shit, man. Control Z. Oops. Ha. It's not coming back, man. Oh my goodness. Well, it is what it is. We can still do it. We can still do it. Not not a big deal, right? We can still do it. Of this USD, all right. Let me just put it again so that you know, I can just still put them the way it was. Oops, let me put this the way it was, right there, and I found another one right there. Oh my goodness, right there, and also yeah, I have another. Oh my goodness, I'm used to my old accounts, man. I'm used to it. I was thinking that everything is pinned and things like that. Okay, yeah, you're good to go. So you see, and I'll see something here, right? I'll see something right there, and also there's a level that I saw. Where is it? Right here. So yeah, and I say that it's gonna sell, right? So this is where your take profit is gonna be. This is where your take profit is going to be, right? So that's it, man. That's it for NZD And like I said earlier on, that if you still have more questions, you can ask right now so that I can just clarify anywhere that you guys you don't understand, right? Because it is very, very important for me to know if you understand what I'm doing or if you don't understand what I'm doing, right? So you can start asking your question and I'll put you through. So yeah, I'll be expecting your question right now. And the next pair that we are having is US30, right? We are now have US30 if we don't have any question regarding this NZD USD analysis, and also you know that we've done Euro USD analysis as well. So just let me know right now. Let me go down and check out for US30. And for US30, I think I like using Oander. Okay, yeah, currency com. That's what I use for US30. It's for what is it call it? And if you guys remember my analysis on my old account, I don't know if I should share my old account with you guys. Um, I've done all of this analysis on the old account, so let me see if I can log in with my old account. Yeah, I think this is my old account. Yeah, this is the old account. So you see this one, and I have all of my peers right here. Nah, it's not giving me the old account. It's giving me this account. Let me sign out. So let me sign in. Sorry guys, I'm gonna I want to sign into my old account. So I'm going to show you another thing different, right? So Okay, there you go. So this US30, hope you guys have seen the US30 analysis now. So this is the analysis that I've done, I think last week. Yeah, it was last week. I sent it to jackpot group as well and things like that. So right now you are watching the US30 analysis, right? So this is it. So I did the analysis when the market was right here. I told them it's gonna sell, right? It's gonna sell. So it's still moving to the downside now, but very in a very short period of time now, it will just come down and hit the final take profit where I'm expecting this US30 to come down and hit, right? So what is the next thing to do? There's nothing much, nothing less on this particular account. And same thing with XAUUSD. I'm expecting it to continue to move to the upside. So I did this analysis last week, and right now still waiting for it to finish the move to the upside. So yeah, we will continue the analysis for US30 right here. And according to what you are seeing right now, you know, it's gonna continue selling, man. It's gonna continue to sell right to this level before I will expect another buy in order for it to start buying to the upside, right? So that is it. So wait for it to complete the move to the downside now, as it is still moving to the downside, right? Then when it comes to this level, after I see some sort of price action signals, then you can buy it. You can buy it to the upside. Then your stop loss is going to be somewhere around here. Then buy it and your take profit is going to be around this zone, man. That's how you do it, right? But right now, you're still going to continue to sell to the downside before it will start move to the upside, right? So that's what I'm seeing on US30 as well. So these are my peers that is on the all the accounts now. So all of this, I think I have the analysis and everything on this peers, right? So I'll just import all of them to my new accounts so that I can just be posting it on the, what does it call it, on TradingView, right? So that's it, man. Like I said, if you have any question, let me know right now before we continue with all of this analysis. And if there's any other pair that you want me to analyze for you, just let me know. Say, hey, Israel, please, I want you to analyze this particular pair for me. What do you think? Maybe it will go up or down, right? Then I will tell you what I'm seeing on them as well. So yeah, if you are new here and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for, man? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Most importantly, join our free Telegram channel, join our Facebook page, follow us on our Twitter handle as well, and also follow us on our Instagram page, right? It is very, very important for you. Let's just be connected on all of our social media handles. It is very, very important, right? So yeah, and somebody is saying, how about USD/JPY, right? USD/JPY, I had my analysis last week as well. Last couple of weeks, I think so. It's still selling, and I'll be expecting USD/JPY to continue to sell until it hits my take profit. You see USD/JPY right now. So you see, I did the analysis and sent them a sell signal when the market was right here. When the market was right here, you see this? This pair is gonna go down for 180 pips. 180 pips, and right now it is around how many pips? It is around 120 pips at the moment. It is around 120 pips at the moment. So I will still expect this USD/JPY to continue the move to the downside. It will continue the move to this level. That's what I'm saying on USD/JPY as well. Because remember, if USD is kind of weak, that's when we will see that, okay, USD/JPY is gonna sell, and Euro USD might sell as well, and same as not might, is gonna sell. And if USD eventually become strong, right? And which other pair we analyze? And US30 is gonna sell also because USD is gonna be weak. And yeah, those are the pairs that we analyze. So that's it, man. That's it. I'm expecting USD JPY as well to continue the sell to the downside since it has broken out of this level, right? So I expect it to continue the move to this point before it will start to move to the upside. So that's what I'm saying. You got any other pair you want me to analyze for you? Let me know before I start my own personally, right? And let me log out of this account. And yet, so but it's still loading. I don't know what's going on here. It's still loading. It's not allowing me to have the whole functionalities. I don't know what's going on. There's nothing like all of this. Let me check it out. Drawing panel is supposed to show, man. Anyway, I have this pinned, so let it just get out. Don't need it anymore. Got it. Bring it back. Like to see it right like this. So yeah, this is XAUSD. My goodness, I don't know what's wrong with this. Why is it showing view mode only? I don't understand, man. You have to show me everything. I want to see the whole functionalities, but it's not giving me. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I think we'll just continue like this. I'll set everything up later in the day, right? So what are we supposed to do next? So these are the the pairs that I'm going to be analyzing right now, so that we can see what is going on. Because somebody's asking about GBP JPY. GBP JPY is supposed to sell as well. Well, let me check it out. Know what's going on, man. It's not giving me what I want. What's wrong with TradingView? Um, I have to set up my chat again, bro. Okay, all right. I think I'll just set it up. There's nothing much about this. Just symbols. I'll change this to white. These are ITT settings, ITT settings. I'll change this to red. Change this to red. Where is my red? Okay. Change this to red as well. Change this to white. And there we go. You have that right there. Then status bar. Document this, and that. Background. Do I need all of this? Indicator title, indicator. I don't even use any indicator. Indicator value, background, all of them. Get out. So scales, now appearance. I'll change it to black. I'll change this to black as well. Then scales, change the background to solid and change it to black. So session break, change this. Anyway, I did not even choose it. Scales, crosshair, yeah, let my crosshair be like that. Visibility and things like that, right? So yeah, those are the things that I just changed. and boom, we have our chart right back, right? That's it. This is the layout I use. So yeah, somebody was asking us about GBP JPY, right? Yeah, so this is GBP JPY at the moment, and this is 4 hour time frame, right? So this is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. And sorry. Yeah, so let's continue with this. So right here, this is the GBP JPY. Let's put our support and resistance, but let me zoom out first. Okay, all right, got it. So yeah, let me start putting my support and resistance. This way, read again. Right, let me just put it here because of what I saw right on this level. And let me just be putting the major support and resistance. Let me just put it right here. Oh, let me just take out. Oh my goodness. Let me just take out the whole week because of this is daily time frame. We got another one. What's going on, man? We have another one right here. You all seen it. So when we go down to smaller time frames, we gotta figure that out. We have another one right there. Oh my goodness, what am I doing, man? This my yep. Of course, this is another one. Let me just put it on the daily so that it won't be as if you're just putting it right. You all seen it. So since this is 4 hour time frame, I will still have to put another one right here. What's happening, man? That's gonna be color for it. Remember I said it's 4 hour time frame, right? So you have to put another one right there because of 4 hour time frame. So now you see what is happening. We put there's this zone right here which this market reacted to, and we'll have to put another one right on this level. Oh my goodness, right on this level. You guys seen it, right? So it's back again inside this. It might buy, man. It might buy to the upside. That's what I'm saying. There is this zone which the market have reacted to as well. So we take this to kind of know perfect. So yeah, what we are supposed to do is let me go down to 1 hour. This is 1 hour, so just want to check something out, you know. Cool. Let's see what happened. You see, broke out of it. Now trying to retest and push to the upside. And push to the upside, but We have to take note of something again as well. Yep, this zone. You have to be aware of that zone as well. So it might try to range a little bit before it will push up. So you see what is happening. It might come up here. So this is what is happening, guys. It might come up here, retest. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Retest to this point before you start to buy to the upside. You see that? Well, if it's not able to just start buying from here, it will continue to move like this before it will go up. So this is what I'm seeing on GBP JPY. This is what might happen. Go up, boom, before it start move to the upside, right? So that's it. You wait for what is going to happen on this, but definitely it might just come down for the retracement or come up to this level, reject again, come down here, look out for some sort of buying signals, boom, we buy to the upside. That's what I'm seeing on this. So here there's nothing much on this GBP JPY. So monitor the market. Right now it's kind of ranging, so you wait for some sort of confirmations as well before you get in. You guys getting it, right? You wait for some sort of confirmations before you get in. Very, very important. So yeah, that's what I'm saying on GBP JPY as well. So if there's any other question, you can ask me before we can call it a day. And there we go. Just wanted to have some analysis with you guys, because every Sunday I do come live and direct to do analysis with you guys, right? So that's the reason why I just decided to come up live, and it is very, very important for you as well. So yeah, yep, that's it, man. So if you have any question, let me know right now before we call it off, right? Before we call it off. So yeah, guys, I'm waiting for your question if you have any. But if you don't have it, that's fine. That's fine. I understand. So can I call it a day? So I'll do the analysis and everything and upload it to this my account, right? To this new account, which is this TradingView account, and also I'll share it in the free channel, share it in the premium channel, everywhere. I'm gonna share this, man. I'm gonna share it. I'm gonna share it. So after I finish sharing it, then when I wait for the market to open, right? So that's it. Once more again, if you don't have any questions, thank you very much for checking on us today. And yeah, your signal confluences. Me personally, I look out for 4 to 5 signal confluences before I get into the market. 4 to 5 signal confluences before I get into the market to buy or sell. It depends on what I'm saying, right? It depends on what I'm saying. So that's the reason why I say wait for signal conf. Like in this case, you have to wait for it to come up to this level and come down for retracement, right? So you can use that for your signal confluence. That's the first one. Secondly, you look out for some sort of candlestick patterns, and the rest. That's how it is. So when we talk of signal confluences, this is the market is gonna go to the upside, right? You are expecting it to go to the upside right now, and according to the analysis that we've done, I say that it's gonna come up right here. Then at this level, there is a possibility of it coming down to this point, after which then it will now continue the move to the upside. So you can use this retracement as your first signal confluence, right? After which you look out for some sort of candlestick patterns. Like I said, I use about 18 candlestick patterns in the market. I use about 18 of them. So once you see your signal confluence here for the buy, Then you measure your stop loss, calculate your risk ratio, and things like that. Then you get into the market and risk 1 to 3% of your account size. Then you write it all the way to the upside. That's how it is. That's how it is. So that's it, man. Somebody's saying thanks, and somebody's saying we'll be waiting for the analysis. Thanks for the insight. Okay, no problem, no problem. Thank you very much as well for joining us, and I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate it because it is like it is because you are here. That's why I'm here as well. So it is very, very important for us to just continue supporting each other, right? I know I support you the most. So I want you to be profitable in the market, man. I want you to be profitable in the market. That's why I'm able to share everything that I'm doing right on this channel. So yeah, once more again, guys, thank you very much. I hope you guys are having a great week and happy Sunday, man. Today is Sunday, and in a few hours, like in about 10 hours from now, the market will open. The market will open. So by then, I'll be able to finish up my analysis, finish up my importing my pairs from my other accounts to this account, and start sharing the analysis on my TradingView account as well. It is very, very important because a lot of you guys, or a lot of them, has been asking me, hey Israel, what is your TradingView account? What is this? What is that? Right? Anyway, now we have it. We will start uploading right there today, man. Today we will be uploading it so that you can have track of everything, man. You can have track of everything. So there we go, guys. Thank you very much for checking on us today. So maybe possibly tomorrow, which is Monday, we'll trade live and direct, which is going to be London session or New York session, right? We'll try and do those things as well. So once more again, guys, thank you very much. See you next time, or see you very soon, right? So, and most importantly, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now. I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscribe right now. Right now. It is the right time for you to subscribe, man. It is the right time for you to subscribe. And follow us on our Instagram page, follow us on our Twitter page, and also follow us on our Facebook page and join our Telegram channel. So very, very important. So guys, have a nice day. Have a nice week. Bye bye.